Ever wondered how to keep rolling after an accident? Today's video is all about Geico's rental car coverage, helping you stay mobile when life throws you a curveball. This coverage isn't automatic, so let's dive in. First, understand when rental car coverage might kick in. It's generally triggered after a covered claim, such as an accident where your car is damaged due to collision or other incidents your policy covers. If the damage is due to something not covered by your policy, then your rental car coverage may not apply. So, how does it work? After a covered claim, if your car is out of commission for repairs, which your insurance company may require to be inspected by their designated professionals, then, if your rental car coverage is included in your policy, you are possibly eligible. Now, here's where things get specific. Your individual Geico policy dictates the nitty-gritty. Your rental car insurance from Geico. Make sure you carefully read this section of your policy. Your plan will outline details like the amount Geico will cover, which is usually on a per-day basis, the type of car you're eligible for, and the time frame you'll have the rental car, which is usually up to a certain amount of time depending on the extent of repairs. The best thing you can do is to read your policy. It will tell you if you have rental car coverage and all the details. So, there you have it, Geico's rental car coverage explained. Knowing your policy can save you time and stress. To recap, check your policy, understand what's covered, and stay informed. Thanks for watching.